Kabuchai.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I also rise to discuss seriously and my input on this sporting petition, Mr. Speaker. I agree with this because, Mr. Speaker, exercise to any animal or any human being, Mr. Speaker, adds life. If you look at very well those who do serious exercise, Mr. Speaker, they keep fit, they live long, and sometimes, Mr. Speaker, you find even the way they perform their brain work takes place very well. That's why, Mr. Speaker, I rise to support it, because when you look at the body, when you ingest in food, Mr. Speaker, and this has become a tradition in our country that we are bringing up a lazy nation, Mr. Speaker, nowadays. Because I remember the days in 80s and 90s, people were walking for long distances, Mr. Speaker, to go and do some duties. Nowadays, the introduction of motorbikes in our country, Mr. Speaker, even 1 kilometer, people cannot walk, Mr. Speaker. They jump on a motorbike, Mr. Speaker, even from a shop to a house, very near, Mr. Speaker, even 500 meters, Mr. Speaker. So I would wish that this is introduced seriously. And when you look at it, Mr. Speaker, again, when we are introducing this sporting issue, we look at how to do these things, Mr. Speaker. Sometimes, as we have talked to yourself, dancing, Mr. Speaker, dancing is also a sporting activity, Mr. Speaker. But we must put the time limit of how long you dance. Because, Mr. Speaker, if you dance for a minute or dance for 1 hour, or if you can dance with a partner, it depends with how you dance, Mr. Speaker. It also burns a human body which has a serious adenosine triphosphate, Mr. Speaker. Conversion of adenosine triphosphate into adenosine diphosphate through Krebs cycle, Mr. Speaker. It is through the action of exercise and sweating that you can release that, Mr. Speaker, and keep fit. When you look at people who do exercise here, Mr. Speaker, you can see them by face. Yourself, Mr. Speaker, you look like you do exercise. I see Honorable Kimunya here and Honorable Dani Wanyama. They do very well, and I suspect, Mr. Speaker, when you have good exercise, you do every work very well. Not forgetting that sometimes, Mr. Speaker, we have some nukutano exercises. Nukutano exercises, Mr. Speaker, which take place, Mr. Speaker, in darkness. It's also exercise, Mr. Speaker. I may not know how they might classify it, but also exercise that keeps the body sweating is good exercise, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, and I support the petition.
Member for Igembe Central.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to comment.
No, members, the member for Kabuchai merely talked about nocturnal exercises. There is nothing unparliamentary about that. Those are plain English ones. Plain, very plain.
Thank you.
It seems that your agitation seems to suggest that you have, your minds are very far. They are not in the chamber. Or they are not in the English language.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Let the member for Igembe Central make his comments.